If you talk about your trip to your friends or family members, तो उन लोगों को आप कैसे डिस्क्राइब करोगे? What you have seen in this nature trip? All these observations, they are examples of diversity. Diversity meaning many or different types. From your natural walk, you can list all the organisms and plants that you have seen. We see a variety of living organisms, from plants and animals to birds and insects. There are other organisms that are too small to see without a microscope and are called as microorganisms. Human, we are also a part of this nature.